What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can view if somebody have shared your post to their story. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have a business or a creator's account. As you have it, you will see professional dashboards. If you don't have it, you can convert your personal account to a professional account. Tap three bar icon. And in here, you will see something called account type in tools. And all you have to do is switch your account. Now, once you've already switched your account, you're going to have to tap on this post and you will see view insights. So tap on view insights. You will see the like you got, the comments, and the share button. You will also see the repost and saved. In my case, my shared button shows 0, meaning nobody have shared my post. Instagram does not specifically specify if the share was to their story or maybe to somebody else. However, you will still see the shared numbers if they have shared your post. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you.